In this video, you'll learn how to close running apps on your Google Pixel 6. This process is essential for managing system performance and ensuring your device operates efficiently. To begin, swipe up from the bottom edge of your screen and hold your finger in place. This action will reveal the recent apps view, displaying all currently running applications. You can scroll through the list to see which apps are active and decide which ones you want to close. Identifying unnecessary apps is crucial for optimizing your device's performance. Next to close an app, swipe its card upward or sideways off the screen. This action will remove the app from memory, effectively closing it. You can repeat this process for any other apps you wish to close. It's important to be mindful of which apps you are closing, as accidentally shutting down important applications could interrupt your workflow or ongoing tasks. Once you've finished closing the apps, you can return to the home screen. To do this, simply swipe up again or tap on the home icon located at the bottom of your screen. This will exit the recent apps view and allow you to navigate back to your main interface. After closing the apps, you may notice an improvement in your device's speed and overall performance. If you find that your device is still running slowly, you can repeat the closing process for any additional apps that may be running in the background. Regularly managing your running applications can help maintain optimal performance on your Google Pixel 6, especially if you tend to use resource-intensive apps frequently. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.